Today we have so much work, I have to do something. This is a brand new EcoDiesel Gladiator. Already got a smart cap on it, which is one of the rarest things to find nowadays. We are gonna put a lift in it. We're gonna put our standard lift in. We're gonna throw some FALCON shocks in here. It is going to drive much better by the end of the day. And then later you'll get to see what wheels and tires are gonna make it onto this thing.
Brought to you by Epic Adventure Outfitters.
Basically, instead of a bead lock, it's a bead fence or penitentiary, if you want to think of it that way, that keeps the tire behind the fence. All right, another day at Epic. This time, a completed vehicle for a change, unlike the engines that take weeks and weeks and weeks. This is the creme de la creme. This is a Rubicon EcoDiesel, which is, in my opinion, the best Jeep to buy. You may have problems, you may not. You may delete the problems, who knows? But we got a 3.5-inch lift in here. They went all out, so we did a full set of control arms from Teraflex with the IR bushings in them. We also did a Teraflex FALCON 3.5 adjustable shocks and a NEXUS steering stabilizer, so this thing drives amazing on the road. They picked out the wheels, so we've got the Icon Rebound Pros. If you had seen our previous video on those things, I put them on Sean's Bronco. The best thing next to bead locks, but legal. So wrapped them in the ever so popular BFG KM3 in a 37-inch size. Nice thing about these, they are not such a true 37 and will fit underneath the truck in your spare location, which is a bonus. Obviously, it got a KRAKEN system, because how do you air back up after you go off-roading without a KRAKEN system? There's no better way that looks cleaner and better put together than this system. All in all though, it's a great Jeep. They'll have a blast with it. This is clearly just the beginning of what they're doing. Sky's the limit, and obviously your credit.
Looking for an epic Jeep? Give us a call.
Hey guys, Sean here from the Story Till Now. As you guys know, Epic Adventure Outfitters is one of the biggest supporters of our whole adventure crew. Me, Casey, and Teddy all get our crazy stuff like Hemi swaps and lift kits, everything done here. Everything that Epic carries is top end and it's all tested by the Ginger and his crew. This includes the Epic KRAKEN air inflation system, things like trailhead deflators, metal cloak and Rebel off-road parts, Epic swag, and more. All of this is available on the new Epic online store at epic-4wd.com. We ship all over Canada and the United States. And if you click on the link in the description, it actually helps support my channel and my adventures, which I appreciate. Check it out, guys.